Have you ever watched a sci-fi movie? Well, if you have, well, buckle up because AI is here. It's not going away. I'm Emery Walts, and I don't recommend losing sleep to build something, but have you ever stayed up to maybe watch a movie? It's late, and you're like, okay, I should go to bed. Or maybe you are ultra creative, and you know the creative struggle that once you get building or on something, you maybe just don't stop. But with that said, do I want to share with you that today this is part of documenting my story. Oh, all right. And today is Friday, May 22nd. It's 4:40 a.m. Why am I sharing this? It is because I went to the most amazing event with some of my favorite builders, favorite company. I don't want to give it all away yet, but I do want to say that everybody went home at 4:30 p.m. and it's like 12 hours later, and I just wanted to show you the power of imagination with the power of AI, and I cannot wait for the summer of AI to launch. And right now I'm actually having my AI make 57 demo pages. Yes, 57 demo pages. So this has been a crazy 12 hours, and there will be more of this. So I'll just show you real quick here. All right, so there's a roadmap. There's a whole bunch of different professions, and I like helping businesses not lose money. So in this instance, we'll go to a hair salon, right? So how many new clients texted you this week that you never got back to, right? So if the average booking was, wow, don't you wish it was 200,000? That'd be great, right? Could just do one, but let's see, and we'll just do, like, say you miss, even if you miss 3 a week, even at a small number at $50, that adds up. So the point of this is that you need to have a system. So then we go here, you can get more info, but really what I'm trying to do is just show you an example of what can be done with the tools when you use the same as I do. And if you're curious about it, I got the info in my description. But I also wanted to just capture, see where it's like building and it's thinking right now. It's just mind boggling. Now, the results that I have and the builds that I build, I'll just say there's no guarantee you'll have the same experience. I've been building for 25 years, but I also do have classes to break things down. And this is just incredible. Incredible. So I'm just gonna put this together in my documentary,